a very sad occasion for the nation, the people of Kenya, that this morning you have lost the third president of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Emilio Mwai Kibaki. Mwai Kibaki is one of the freedom fighters of our country. He has served this country for many years with diligence, with honesty and transparency. I have had the pleasure to work with Mwai Kibaki, first as a member of parliament in the opposition, the 7th parliament that is, then as one of his ministers for roads and public works, and finally as a prime minister where we shared the grand coalition government. Nobody who was better than Mwai Kibaki when it came to creating team spirit and inspiring his ministers. On behalf of the Umoja One Kenya Alliance and coalition, on behalf of our respective political parties, and on behalf of my family, we condole with the family of Mwai Kibaki and the rest of Kenyans, and we say that may the Lord rest his soul in eternal peace.